Welcome if you are new here. It is a sunny, beautiful, windy day in Oklahoma. If you've been with us a while, you know our big project for this spring is creating a massive raised bed garden area. In our first video in the series, we told you all about the 3-foot drop in our garden and how we're having to do like terraces. So if you missed that, you can go back and watch. But we have the first terrace of the garden done. And these are the main garden beds that go in it. We put these together last time. These are really nice Vego garden beds. Vego has been so gracious to sponsor our raised bed garden this season. And so we've got so many fun things that they have sent us. But the next addition is going to be a beautiful arched trellis that's going to really be the centerpiece of this raised bed garden. These beds were pretty easy to put together. I expect the trellis probably will be too, but we will see. So I do love this about Vego is their product manuals and stuff are way easy. Step one, we're going to take these and we're going to fix them to where some screws already are. So we'll have to pull those out, put these in and swap them. These go on top. If you'll notice, they have like a little divot, and then these are for the bottom. I will say this, everything is beautifully labeled. You can see it says exactly like what these bolts are, and in the instructions it says which of the bolts to use. So it really does make it foolproof. All right, Lance got all of these little holders in, and the next thing we're going to do is to put these longer things in here, and they just slide right in, and then we're going to bolt across them and then into them on the bottom, and then we build our trellis all the way around. So let's get going on that part.
Quick tip for installing these, the brackets that mount onto the beds come with a hex head bolt, and the bolt, if I can get it back out now, the hex head bolt, there it is, and it seats inside the hex shape of the bracket. So once it's in there, it doesn't turn. You get an Allen key, but you can't drive it with this. You can only hold it steady. And then it comes with a little wrench to put the nuts on the back. Now, when you put the beds together, if you save this, it's all the same nuts. This fits. However, if you want to speed things up, this is a 10mm socket on a standard power drill, and you just go along and zip them straight on. It's much quicker. So, pro tip.
We've got Ethel, the bottle baby, today. She's gonna hang out. Hello, sweet pea. So we worked all night. I say we, my husband mostly, and I say all night, really just till a little bit after we lost camera light. The hard part about this, and I know some of y'all feel this to your very core, is that one of the things that we have to do is wait till Lance gets home to do a lot of these things. And woo, the minuscule amount of time we have when daylight is still here. So it really wasn't that big of a deal. I would say that you definitely want to put together this arch if you know you're going to do it before you put dirt in these beds, because you have to affix these things on the sides, and you would be able to do it after you got dirt, but you would have to pull the dirt out and get these down in there, and I think it would be a little bit of a pain. So I was really thankful that we did this before the dirt. And also another thing that would probably make it a little easier, if you know you have the beds and you know you have the trellis and you know you're going to do it, go ahead and put the trellis and the bed together at the same time, because one of the things was you have to like take out a few screws to put these in and stuff, and you wouldn't have to do that. You wouldn't have to put in screws, take them out, put them in, take them out, if you know that, okay, this is where my trellis is going, and I've got it, and I can go ahead and just put that in as I'm putting the bed together. So that is just another sneak hint for you if you're doing this and you know that you've got the trellis going in. Vego's instructions are generally pretty clear, and they also have some videos, so if something is unclear, you can pull up the video for the specific build and see exactly how they're building it. So that definitely helps. But this is going to be such a fantastic growing space. I cannot wait. I believe this one, we've got melons, some Kajari melons, some sugar baby watermelons, and some honeydews that are going to go up over this one. So I am very, very excited about that. Once again, we are so thankful to Vego for sponsoring this whole garden. They have been so generous, and we just are over the moon excited. We really couldn't have done this big transition without their sponsorship. If you're new to our channel, we used to have a massive, like 4,000 square foot garden because I have back injuries and I had hurt my wrist a few years ago, and my girls are getting older. Like all of those things were converging at once, and we were deciding, like, I'm not gonna have the girls to help for many more years, and I need something that I can physically do myself. So we had talked about transitioning to a raised bed garden, and this is that coming to fruition. So we are thrilled. And if you can tell, we've got a long way to go. We've got 3 more terraces to fully build out with the gravel and stuff. And then we've got to put up a fence. We've got to fill all these beds with dirt. We have so many more beds and so many more fun things to build. So this is definitely going to be an exciting adventure for this whole year. So we hope you'll stick with us for the long haul and see this whole process come together. If you do want to see how this comes together, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That way you can hang out with us whenever we post new videos, and you can see our garden progress throughout the season, and you can be here when hopefully we are harvesting our brains out towards the end of the summer with these beds fully just producing. Y'all, thank you so much for joining us. Have a wonderful day.